on today's occasion, I would like to say reading has always been a passion of mine, even before the competition. And I'm thankful to say that this competition inculcated my passion of reading. I started my journey of this competition with the biography of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the best human in my notes, and ended my journey of this competition with famous fictional detective Sherlock Holmes, written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Throughout this competition, I have read many books, and each book holds a special place in my heart. There was one book, One Indian Girl, written by Chetan Bhagat. Now he is the one of the favorite author of today's generation. He has written many novels, and One Indian Girl is one such I read. Now, if you read this book as a story, you will find it like a story. And if you want to find something else, you will definitely find something very special. Now, in this One Indian Girl, it's not about just one main character. It's about every Indian girl. When you read the story, you realize that it's talking about you yourself. When I read, I found that it was talking about mine. It spoke about my past, it spoke about my present, it predicted my future. The life of girls in India, Indian society, is almost same. Maybe the experiences are not same. From the very young age, we are told, the sky is your limit. As we grow up, we get to hear the taunt, "Padha kya liya, asman chho rahe ho." And as we come to the marriageable age, often we get to hear that "Beti ko padhana ek galati." And yes, we get to hear, every girl in this Indian society get to hear this, and it's the reality, and we need to change this reality. And this book speaks about it. There are many such books I read. Now, every book, where in English there is an idiom, read between the lines. Being a reader is an art. It's a talent. You have to understand the main theme of the book. It's not easy for everyone to draw a picture in your mind just reading the lines. Everybody cannot do that. And when you do that, you are a perfect reader. Nowadays, in today's generation, ebooks are there. Children of my age read that ebooks, fan fictions, and many such literary genres are there. But nobody can replace the joy of reading the vintage papers and words. The real book has always been a special place in every reader's heart. And I think never ever in the future also these ebooks will replace those books. And when you read those books, you understand the theme. Try to understand. Before the competition, I used to read the book for pleasure. It's called pleasure reading. But after the competition, since I have to write a review, I also did critical reading. Now, critical reading is what we say read between the lines. I understood the theme, not only the story, but the theme, what the author wants to reflect, what the author wants to say. And that's the beauty of reading. With this, I would like to thank Mr. Sirajuddin Ajmal sir and all the organizing team. And I would also like to please do remember me in your prayers that the passion of reading, which was with me, which is with me, should always remain with me. Thank you.